The first step to replacing your BMW Z4 key fob battery involves removing the key blade. Locate the small button or latch on the side of the fob, usually near the BMW logo. Press or slide this to release and remove the metal key blade. Next, you'll need to pry open the fob casing. Insert a small plastic pry tool into the seam between the two halves. Gently work your way around the perimeter, carefully separating the two halves. Avoid using metal tools as they can scratch or damage the plastic. Take your time to prevent breaking the clips that hold the case together. The goal is to expose the battery compartment inside. With the key fob open, locate the CR2032 lithium coin cell battery. Note the orientation with the positive side up. Use a small non-metallic tool to gently pop out the old battery. Insert the new CR2032 battery with correct polarity, positive side up. Clean the contacts with isopropyl alcohol for better connection. Align the circuit board correctly and snap the case halves together. Reinsert the metal key blade and ensure the case is fully closed. Test the fob by pressing buttons to lock and unlock remotely.